We know that with all the pairs of swimming goggles popping up on the market today, finding the best pair for your needs can certainly be challenging. Whether you're looking for crystal clear visibility, comfy straps, good lookers, or just the best bang for your buck, very often it will seem like you're having to make too many trade-offs. We've put together a comprehensive list of the best swimming goggles on the market today. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 swimming goggles on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Speedo Unisex Adult Swim Goggles Vanquisher. The Professional Vanquisher is an upgrade from the previous version and continues its minimalism. Great for competitions, these are also well suited for bright, sunny days because of the tinted lenses. This pair of goggles has the smaller profile for competitive swimming events. The Vanquisher will protect your eyes from UV rays during triathlons as well as casual ocean swimming. Moreover, its lenses are coated with anti-fog technology so that you won't experience any fog buildup. This pair of swimming goggles is definitely worth it. They are also ideal for competitive races due to their snug eye fit. The glasses deliver a wider view as well, which is helpful during certain swim strokes. The goggles come with 4 different nose bridges for a customized fit. The glasses have an easily adjustable strap that can be made to fit both adults and kids. Things we don't like: changing the nose pieces can be troublesome. Number 2. Arena Unisex Cobra Ultra Swipe Racing Swim Goggles. The Arena Cobra Ultra Swipe Swim Goggles have really pushed the boundaries of goggle lens technology with this pair, producing anti-fog protection which is truly effective. Described by some as boasting some of the most advanced anti-fog technology to date, this pair is manufactured with a chemical makeup that is guaranteed to allow you a fog-free experience with maximum clarity and visibility. Tried and tested in rigorous laboratory trials, the technology used in this pair allows for anti-fog layer regeneration with a single swipe of your finger, allowing for a clarity that lasts up to 10 times longer than almost any other pair to be found on today's market. This will always be a good feature for indoor swimmers, but if you're looking to enjoy a day out on open water, this product is a must. You won't miss a thing. The soft Japanese silicone and dual strap system makes for a very decent and comfortable experience. It's a yes from us. Number 3. Speedo Fast Skin Hyper Elite Mirror. These Speedo swimming goggles are a confident choice for competitive swimmers looking for a top-of-the-line experience on race day. These goggles come with Speedo patented goggle seals which offer a leak-free, secure fit. The one-piece racing strap offers a personal fit with performance-enhancing technologies. The hydrodynamic design, 100% UV protection and long molded side temples for superior stability are just some of the features that create a comfortable and secure fit so you can focus on your race. Staying focused is essential in competitive swimming, and teaming up with the Speedo Hyper Elite Mirror swimming goggles will keep you on pace throughout your races. Things we like. Mirrored lenses provide 100% glare-free UV protection. The anti-fog coating allows for a clear, trouble-free swim. Wide lens gives you better peripheral vision. Low profile designed to enhance performance. Extremely clear lenses facilitate focus and enjoyment. Things we don't like. Have to take strap off in order to adjust. Marks around the eyes. Number 4. Fellrina Swimming Goggles. When you buy the Fellrina swimming goggles, you can rest assured that the glasses will meet your needs when it comes down to comfort. The goggles are super stylish with smooth lines to make you stand out from the crowd. They are comfortable to wear. Moreover, the silicone gasket allows no water to enter while you are submerged underwater. The goggles are definitely worth the pick. The goggles feature a smooth design with an adjustable strap. The lenses are treated with an ultraviolet light absorber that will block out the heavy sun rays. These goggles can be worn by both adults and kids. You will also receive accessories with your packages like a cleaning cloth, protective box, earplugs, and a nose piece to keep the water out on all fronts. The lenses also offer extra protection against fogginess. Moreover, you will receive 3 interchangeable nose pieces. Number 5. Vitoki Swim Goggles. If you're looking for a fantastic UV protection, then the Vitoki Swim Goggles are the perfect fit for you. The clear lenses are ideal for indoor and covered swimming environments, whereas the tinted glasses are suitable during sunny days. The Vitoki goggles are one of the best 2-for-1 deals you'll get. They come in great colors, and the design features a stylish look. You also won't have to worry about strong sunlight due to the fascinating UV resistance the goggles come with. This is definitely a great deal. You will be pleased to know the goggles come with interchangeable nose pieces available in small, medium, and large sizes for a customized fit. With the ergonomic design and silicone material, you don't have to worry about any leaks. Things we like: stylish and sleek design with various color options. Silicone gaskets seal eyes comfortably. Nose pieces offer a custom fit. UV protection anti-fog technology that work. Things we don't like: these goggles are not polarized. The inner coating can fade if not provided the necessary care. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.